What's up, you guys? It's JMike0907, and today I bought another Cabbage Patch Kid. It's been almost a year since I bought a Cabbage Patch Kid. He's one of the new ones. This one is an athlete. I'll have my other two at the end of this video, but it says a free photo book offered from Shutterfly. I scanned the QR code earlier. It wasn't nothing but a commercial. I have my scissors right here. This one is an African American one. He's the same race as I am. I'm glad they lighten up the African American kid's skin a little. It looks like he's the same skin tone as my first one is. But my second one. The second one I bought it said he was Hispanic on the site. But he looks like this one right here. Only with spikier hair. As we all know, all Cabbage Patch Kids come with birth certificates and adoption papers. Here's how you look like out the box. He smells just the same as my other two did when I got them. Okay, so I got him out the box. As you can see, he's wearing a athletic outfit that is orange and yellow, and he has black shoes. Now I also looked at the color of his underwear. It's the same as the first two I got, the other two I bought last year, and he's also the same size as them. And this is his birth certificate. And here's the Shutterfly photo book offer. it is free. And I gotta show everybody the promo code. If you haven't noticed, I changed the names of my other two Cabbage Patch Kids I got last year. I didn't know there was a registration number on here. Okay, now I have all three of my Cabbage Patch Kids. And this is also the order that I bought them. I bought him in November of last year. Bought him December last year, and I bought him today, which is December the 6th, 2012. And I also noticed that the head molds are all different. I know y'all can see that, but it says 2011 original Appalachian artworks on him. 2011 original Appalachian artworks on him. And also 2012 original Appalachian artworks on him, and he's the newest one. I also noticed that there are like little numbers. They have like the head molds and all that. I'm gonna research the play along kids because it said PA22KB. I believe this was a head mold that was used on previous Cabbage Patch Kids when Play Along made them years ago. So that's it for this video. I also noticed that Julio's hair is a little frizzy right here. That's it for this video. You can rate, comment, or subscribe to my channel.